how to crop photos in NanoBanana AI, follow this step. First, open your phone browser. Next, search for NanoBanana AI and head into the official website. Once the page opens, scroll down until you reach the AI editor section. Here you will find two options, image to image and text to image. Since we are cropping a photo, select image to image. After that, click on add image and upload a photo you want to crop. Once your image is uploaded, click on the main prompt box. Here type a clear instruction about how you want the photo to be cropped. When your prompt is ready, hit the Generate Now button. NanoBanana AI will process your request, and within a few moments, the crop result will appear in the output gallery. By following this step, you now know how to crop photos in NanoBanana AI.